You don't need 30 days to fix this, not 14, not even 7. You need one day, one decision, one moment where you stop calling it busy and admit it's comfort. The truth isn't that you need more time, you need more honesty. And today, I'm giving you something most videos won't. A 24-hour system to break out of comfort completely. This isn't motivation, this is war. Let's fix this today. Let's go. Step 1. The exit point. Pick one thing you've been avoiding, not procrastinating on, avoiding. Something small enough to do within the hour. Send the message. Make the call. Start the workout you keep postponing. This is the exact moment growth actually starts. Not later. Not when you feel ready. Right here. Step 2. Zero permission. Do it before you feel ready. Feeling ready was never coming. It's a myth your comfort invented to keep you inside it, and every version of you that you've ever been proud of skipped this exact step of waiting. Step 3. The hold. After you do it, sit in the discomfort for 10 minutes. Don't distract yourself. Don't reward yourself yet. This is the part everyone skips, but it's also the part that actually rewires you, not the action itself. Tomorrow, you repeat it. Then the day after that. You don't need 30 days. You need one uncomfortable action today and the will to actually feel it through. Comfort kept you safe. It never once made you proud. Comment day 1, the moment you do it. Let's see how many of us actually mean it this time.